Welcome to Garmin Magic Show. The magician randomly finds an audience on street. He's about to show her a magic that has never been performed. This magic will leave his name in history. He will move the watch button from the right to the left without even touching it. Ladies and gentlemen, you are about to witness the most magical moment with your own eyes. He did it! It's unbelievable! How did that just happen? In the blink of an eye, the watch button has been switched from the right to the left of the watch. Now we are going to reveal the secret behind this unreal magic. When the audience moves her attention to magician's right hand, the magician snaps his left hand fingers to freeze the time. Did he just get another watch? Since the cameraman is also frozen, the magician needs to hold the camera on his own. First, press and hold the watch screen. Select Settings. Select System. Select Orientation. Select your preferred button orientation. The watch will adjust the watch screen to the orientation that you just selected. Now you know the tips of becoming a great magician. We will see you in the next episode of Garmin Magic Show.